Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in FindLaw Lawyer. First step is to open your browser. Now after opening your browser, click on the search engine and type in FindLaw Lawyer login. Then click on the link which says view.findlaw.com. It will lead you to a login page. Here you have two options. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on register here and create a new account. And to log in, click here. Now you need your email address to log in, so type in your email. Now click on sign in. Then you need your password. If you want to reset your password, you can click on this link. Now click on sign in, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in FindLaw Lawyer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.